All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I got my tempered glass in for the LG G8. I'm gonna probably use my case as a little guide here, but this is GPel's dual pack, twin pack for the tempered glass here. So this is what we got going on for the G8 here. So let's get this open. And shout out to GPel for sending this over for review or installation and setup. Let's see if I can get it open here. There we go. All right. So you get two glasses. I'll put one aside for now. I'm gonna pop it back in here just for guiding it on. So here's the glass right here. We'll do a little test fit first. It goes down like this. Now this is the type of glass, folks, that's gonna sit around the edges of the display. I don't believe this has the full adhesive, but I'll see here in just a second. So we'll get this lined up. We'll get it cleaned up. So you got a little thing here. There should be a microfiber cloth in here. Yeah, there you go. All right. Some of these microfiber cloths put dust on the devices. So let's get this all cleaned up here. I believe this is probably going to be one of those ones that adhesive on the edges only, but it is curved downwards. So it's actually pretty sweet how they have this. It has like a little curve. Yeah, this is going to be one of those ones where it looks like it's just around the edges. So you got to make sure you get it on good. Uh-oh, bumpy cam. Doing this behind the camera. Not in my regular spot right now. It got taken away for a second. All right, so let's get it cleaned off. You know, I've really been enjoying this phone right here, and it has just been spectacular. This is a fantastic purchase. At $620, I hit a lick on this one, and then at $699, it's even better. If you go through B&H, you can get the gray color, and then also you get 3 months of mint service. So we're gonna go over this with the little stickers here. Make sure we have everything off. And then we'll drop it down. I like when it's a twin pack, because if you make a mistake or you buy more than one, or you just have an extra. Bought one for you and your other half. You both have a tempered glass. There's no need to buy any more. So this is a really thin glass, I can tell, but I'm gonna turn the screen on so I can help make sure I get it along the cutout at the top. We'll see if we can get this. It's a very sticky adhesive though, that's for sure. And let's see if I can drop this down in the right spot. I mean, the good part about these ones that are adhesive around the edges is that they might seal on better. But the bad part about these, about the edges, sometimes they have like this ugly gray looking tint to them. But clarity and everything looks to be good. Touch sensitivity, still there. I'll probably give you a follow-up video on how this is doing over time. But for now, it is sealed on there. The adhesive, I think they've gotten better at doing the adhesive on these, because it is sticking pretty good. So let's take off the case so you can see exactly, if you didn't have a case, how it's gonna be. You get some sense of it. Feels pretty good. I'm looking for a skin now. I'm waiting for Sophie Guard to bring out a skin. But here it is, man. This beautiful piece of hardware is ready now and protected somewhat on the screen. It's curved along the edges, but it's still nice and smooth. It doesn't feel rigid at all. And you know, I lined it up the best I could. All the buttons are exposed, everything is good. The camera's up there, everything is solid. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.